Hello guys, welcome to my technology and entrepreneurship techyentro channel where you find the best technology news. The most interesting part will be at the end of video, so please watch it completely till end. You will enjoy. And please like and subscribe my channel as you will always get such news again in future. Today I will show you about Google Summer of Code, this logo. Okay, if you don't have seen this before, then not a big deal because I'm here to tell you. It's an international platform provided by Google. What does it do? So it gathers developers from all around the world to work under mentors and to contribute on open source projects. So what are open source projects? This question might have came in your mind. So these are the projects in which code is available to everyone, and why should you attend? So the short and the sweet answer to this question is that you must apply, and you would get even a stipend of $3,000 for 12 weeks. So we just have to study and learn. I still see you not pressing the bell icon. And as far as my commitment, I have given the link in the video through which you can directly apply. Thank you, and just press the bell icon. Bye bye.